Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I made this Dollar Tree outfit for just $2, stay tuned to watch. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
Hey guys.
Oh wow, Kanai is still in the back. Malachi too, but we're on our way making a few errands. And it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I had an idea come to my mind, and I think I'm going to try to make a baddie outfit from the Dollar Tree. What you guys think about that? I think it's a good idea, and I think I can pull that off. Oh, okay. I thought you was talking about we're gonna make one on our way, probably to the Dollar Tree. I had to get some more ideas for you guys. Yeah, guys, no nothing. My eyebrows, I'm still trying to let those grow in, but we still cute. And yeah, so I believe I can make a baddie outfit from the Dollar Tree. And I'm gonna try not to sew anything. I'm gonna try to do it to where you guys can do it at home, whether you have there. So stay tuned to watch. Incognito me. All that I got from the Dollar Tree. Make my little baddie outfits from these. I got a black shirt and a white shirt, black pair of pantyhose, and a beige pair of pantyhose. So let's get this cracking. So y'all, this is a black shirt. I believe I got in an extra large. I'm going to probably cut this up to make it extend longer on both sides. So I'm gonna weigh, and I believe I'm gonna bleach it too. So let's get that started. All right, first things first, guys. We're gonna take our shirt that we got from the Dollar Tree. This is a size extra large, and it's Hanes. Yes, guys, the Dollar Tree is the plug when it comes to the shirts. This is an extra large, so it's long enough, but I'm gonna make it even longer by cutting it up, and then I'm also going to bleach this. So let's get started. Next up, I will be bleaching. We're gonna bleach our shirt that we just cut up. So this is our shirt. I have it in the tub because it is dark outside and I don't want to go outside right now. So let's get the bleaching. Turned out so good. So good. All you need is some bleach, a spray bottle, and some water. And this is some of what my front is going to look like. That is so cute and lovely. And anytime you do this, it's gonna be basically custom made, so you're not gonna have like the same exact thing coming out. So it's your own little personal piece. Make sure I got enough bleach sprayed on my cutouts. Ooh, I like that. All right, guys, now it's time for washing. All right, y'all, now I'm gonna rinse my shirt with some water. I'm gonna rinse it with some hot water so that I can get the bleach all out, and then I'm gonna wash it like with some regular laundry detergent, and then go from there. Alright, y'all, the next step is these. I got this in black, some pantyhose. Open that up. How it is. No, guys, I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that at all. What I am going to do is, I think I'm going to come right here. Trying to make some little biker shorts. Let me see. I think that should be about right. Let me see. I'm gonna try them on right quick to see, guys. Yes, y'all, that was perfect. So I got my little biker shorts right here. Now I'm just waiting for my shirt dress to dry, and when I come back, I'm gonna transform myself into a baddie. A baddie, all from Dollar Tree. $2, y'all. $2. Don't slip on a Dollar Tree. Go get yours. And if y'all want a detailed video on how I actually cut up my shirt, let me know, and I'll make one for you guys. But I'll be back in a second. Transform into a baddie. Clothes from Dollar Tree. So y'all, this is my completed look. $2 outfit from the Dollar Tree.